Welcome to an overview of the GrapeCity Telemarketing software for Salesforce.com. GrapeCity Telemarketing for Salesforce is a 100% web-based Force.com native application for effectively managing telephone-assisted sales and marketing activities. Let's log into Salesforce.com. Getting started is easy by navigating to the Telemarketer tab inside Salesforce and creating telemarketers by filling out the Salesforce form. Here we are filling out the Salesforce form for telemarketers. The next step is to use the just added telemarketers to create telemarketing teams. Here we are creating the telemarketing team. As you can see, the telemarketer can belong to more than one team. GrapeCity Telemarketing software helps you create two different types of scripts. Here is an example of an advanced script. You can view here that we are entering name of the script, the first step to be called, and a short description of the script. You can look at a list of steps that belong to this script. Each step has a title, a speech which telemarketers will be speaking during the call, and score-based responses. Advanced script is a guided script where the responsive current step decides the next step that will appear on telemarketer's screen. Let's run this script and select No as a response to the first question. As a result of this response, the next step that you see is a thank you step. Let's go back on this question and update the response to yes. And now it shows an entirely different step as a result of the updated response. So in advanced script, telemarketers have to follow a guided approach to view next steps and capture responses. On the other hand, survey script is a single-page calling script where all steps and responses appear on a single screen. Telemarketer has the liberty to capture the responses in any manner. Each project is associated with a bigger marketing campaign. Projects can be created with or without sales scripts. In both cases, the telemarketers can perform various in-call actions. A project can have prospects, which are contact, accounts, and leads. You can have all three of them as potential prospects for calling during a single project. We can now add the telemarketing team to this project. This automatically populates the telemarketers associated with the team. Each call to telemarketing prospects, whether it gets connected or not, is tracked via the call options dialog. Here is a list of my due prospects, which need to be called, and next prospect functionality automatically opens the prospect from this list, which we should be calling now. When you place a call for a prospect, the call options dialog pops up, where all the calls, whether they get connected or not, get tracked. So every call that you are making will have an outcome irrespective of whether it is go connected or not. Once a call is completed with a prospect, telemarketers don't have to worry about who should they call next. As soon as a call gets completed, the next prospect in queue appears on their screen automatically. GrapeCity Telemarketing software allows telemarketers to perform various actions while being in a call with a prospect. Telemarketers create opportunities, convert leads, send emails, schedule calls and meetings. Along with this, GrapeCity Telemarketing software also offers a unique functionality of creating orders inside the Salesforce. Create Order button opens the order creation functionality inside Salesforce interface and captures details about the products, discounts, billing, and shipping information. An order created during the call is linked to the call and is listed in the call actions of the call. GrapeCity Telemarketing software provides 9 different dashboard reports. These dashboards are created using out-of-the-box Salesforce dashboard functionality, so they are easy to create and edit. Let's quickly look at some of the key dashboards provided by the telemarketing software. Total revenue by project. This dashboard shows the value of total orders booked in every telemarketing project. It helps to provide parameters for performance evaluation and ROI calculation of various telemarketing projects. Prospects by highest order value. This dashboard shows you how the current order book is distributed amongst various projects. It helps you quickly identify key customer accounts created during calling for various telemarketing projects. Opportunities booked by project shows the value of opportunities booked during calls made for telemarketing projects. Call actions by telemarketer. This dashboard allows managers to view the details of actions taken by telemarketers during their calls to prospects. It also helps to evaluate the performance of different telemarketers in terms of opportunities created and orders generated by telemarketers. Prospect status summary. This dashboard gives you an overall view of the state of various prospects in the telemarketer's queue. Average telemarketing calls per day. This dashboard enables the telemarketing managers to measure the productivity of each telemarketer in terms of number of calls made in a day. Also, this helps provide a quick check to see if the daily quota of calls is being met by telemarketers or not. Average call duration by telemarketer. This dashboard enables the telemarketing managers to measure the productivity of each telemarketer in terms of the average time spent for a call. You can also drill down into each of these dashboards to look at detailed view of the data. Here we drill down into Prospect Status Summary Dashboard, and you can see a list of contacts that are still not contacted by any telemarketer. Along with the dashboard, you can also view detailed telemarketing call data, which provides key information about telemarketer productivity, prospect rating, and actions taken during the call. That's just some of what GrapeCity Telemarketing software for Salesforce.com can do for you. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing GrapeCity.